Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with PR. I hope you all are doing great. If you want to master data structures from basics to advanced, this stack playlist is going to be super helpful for you. We have already completed array and linked list with all operations in details. So if you have not watched that playlist yet, go and check it out first. Link is in the description. And make sure you like the video, comment your doubts, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Learn with Pia. We have already covered overview of a stack. In the top right corner, check the link. Watch it first. In this video, we are going to understand infix to postfix conversion using stack. Also, step-by-step algorithm with some example. So let's quickly understand the basics. So infix notation is what we normally write as a plus b. Okay. So but our computers prefer postfix notation, that is a b c multiply plus. That's why we are saying that our computer know postfix only, because it removes the need of need for brackets and precedence rules. So to convert infix to postfix, we use stack. So stack helps us manage operators based on their priorities. Okay. So operands go directly to output, but operators are handled using stack. So before starting, we have to remember the operator precedence and associativity. So operator precedence and associativity. So basically, what is operator precedence? So the precedence decides which operator is evaluated first in an expression. All right. So whenever you are having some expression, suppose a plus b multiply c divided by d and plus e, right? So there is a so many operators. So which one you will prefer first to solve? So this is, we have to check the precedence first. So this is how we can say precedence. So which operator is evaluated first in an expression. All right. So we have operators as exponential, you know, multiply, divide, plus and minus. There is so many operators. Okay. They are some basics. So exponential first. So it's mean as power. All right. It's having the highest precedence. So in a maybe एक expression आपको मिला है, उसमें exponential is added. तो exponential आपका add किया गया है, तो exponential पहले आप क्या करेंगे, solve करेंगे. The associativity for this is right to left. Okay. What is that meaning? I am writing a plus b exponential, right? This is exponential, right? C exponential d divided by e. Okay, this is the operators. This is the expression. Suppose these are the operators. Okay, these are four operators. Now you have to check which one we have to solve first. So exponential having the highest precedence, so this will solve first. But there is two exponentials. So which one you will solve first? So it will go right to left actually. Where right? This right, na? This side is right. From this you will say right. So which one is first from the right? This one. So you have to solve this one first. Okay, you have to solve this one first. Okay, and then you have to solve this one, and then we have divide. So divide need to solve, and then plus and minus. Okay, so multiply and divide I have written in a same, they having a same precedence. Priority you can say means which one you have to solve, you can choose according to the associativity. All right, left to right. So here plus is there. Okay, so you have to solve it at the end as it's having the lowest. So these two having the same precedence you can say. Okay, so you have to solve according to the associativity. If plus minus and both come in expression, so you have to check first associativity. You have to go left side to the right. Okay, left to the right. So left से start करना है, right में जाना है. आप सिर्फ इसको याद रखो, एक्सपोनेंशियल क्या है, राइट टू लेफ्ट है ओनली. ओके, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑपरेटर्स एक्चुअली. आई एम राइटिंग फ्यू. ओके, we will tell next the others as well. All right, so this is a precedence and associativity. If you have doubt, please write in a chat box. Okay, now let's check out how we can solve some questions according to the algorithm. So what algorithm says, let's try to understand that one first. So this is the algorithm right now. Okay. So here I have written, first step is what? You have to create an empty stack. So create an empty stack. So I have created empty stack here like that way. Okay, so do not confuse. I don't want to confuse here. So just have a look first algorithm. Okay, so create a empty stack known as S. Create a empty output known as P. All right. Now second step is we have to scan our expression left to right. हमें लेफ्ट से लेकर राइट में पूरा स्कैन करते चलना है. फर्स्ट हमारा क्या आया? ए आया, प्लस बी मल्टीप्लाई सी. ओके, दिस वी हैव टू डू. नाउ नेक्स्ट, अब हमको जानना है कि अगर प्लस आएगा, अगर ऑपरेंड आएगा, ऑपरेटर आएगा, तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. सो इफ द सिंबल इज ऑपरेंड, अगर आपका सिंबल फर्स्ट सिंबल ऑपरेंड है ना, ए बी सी आर ऑपरेंड्स. ओके, सो दे आर ऑपरेंड, सो वी हैव टू पुट इट इन द आउटपुट. हमें आउटपुट में रखना है. सो दिस इज एक्सप्रेशन आई एम राइटिंग हियर. ओके, दिस इज एक्सप्रेशन. ओके, लेफ्ट टू राइट वी आर गोइंग. सो ए पहले आया, सो ए, तो दिस इज ए ना, ये क्या है? ऑपरेंड है. ओके, सो इस ऑपरेंड को हमें क्या रखना है? आउटपुट में रखने का है. आर यू गेटिंग अ पॉइंट? आउटपुट में रख दिया, राइट. नाउ इफ द सिंबल एज ओपन ब्रैकेट, ओके, देन वी हैव टू पुट इन द स्टैक. सो हमें स्टैक में रखने का है. आर यू गेटिंग अ पॉइंट? ओके, so if the symbol or if the operand first, if the operand comes, then we have to put it in the output side. Okay, if the symbol comes, symbol like you can say arrow, like any bracket, okay, that we have to push into the stack. Push karna hai, open bracket we are talking about, open bracket, remember. Now next we say if the symbol close bracket, right? So if we got close bracket, then we have to pop. हमें पॉप करते रहना है. पॉप मीन्स डिलीट करते रहना है. पुश मीन्स इंसर्ट करते रहना है, राइट. हमें पॉप करते रहना है स्टैक को जब तक वो खाली ना हो जाए, until we found the open bracket. क्लोज ब्रैकेट हमें जब मिलेगा, राइट, देन वी हैव टू पॉप, वी हैव टू डिलीट फ्रॉम द स्टैक टू द आउटपुट. मीन्स यहां से उठाकर हमें इधर आउटपुट में ऐड करते रहना है. ओके कब तक? जब तक हमें ओपन ब्रैकेट नहीं मिल जाता. ऑलराइट, देन वी हैव टू रिमूव द ओपन ब्रैकेट एज वेल. सारे ही जो प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई जो भी इसमें होंगे, है ना, जो भी ऑपरेटर्स आर इन अ स्टैक, है ना, वी हैव टू पॉप इट, है ना, टू पॉप फ्रॉम द स्टैक टू आउटपुट. स्टैक से, दिस इज स्टैक से आउटपुट में लेके आना है. ठीक है, जो भी आपके पास है. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, राइट? सो कब तक लेके जाना? जब तक हमें ओपन ब्रैकेट नहीं मिल जाता, और हमें ओपन ब्रैकेट को भी रिमूव कर देना है फिर. ठीक है, दिस इज द स्टेप्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप. सो इफ वी फाउंड सिंबल, सपोज हमें सिंबल मिला है, लाइक सिंबल हमें क्या मिला है? ऑपरेटर प्लस मल्टीप्लाई. देन इफ द यू कैन से स्टैक इज एम्प्टी. अगर कोई भी ऑपरेटर मिलता है, मतलब प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई मॉडुलस कुछ भी मिलता है आपको, ठीक है, तो हमें स्टैक को देखना. स्टैक इज नॉट एम्प्टी. इफ स्टैक इज नॉट एम्प्टी, देन वी हैव टू चेक. अगर हमारा स्टैक एम्प्टी नहीं है, स्टैक एम्प्टी मतलब ये तो एम्प्टी नहीं है ना, ये तो यहाँ पे प्लस है, यहाँ पे भी प्लस है, यहाँ प्लस मल्टीप्लाई आ गया, प्लस 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 मल्टीप्लाई आ गया, तो दिस इज नॉट एम्प्टी. ठीक है, अगर हमारा स्टैक एम्प्टी नहीं है तो इसकी बात हो रही है. ठीक है, सो टॉप हैज हायर, मतलब आपको चेक करना है टॉप हैज हायर और मे बी इक्वल प्रेसिडेंस, देन वी हैव टू पॉप टू द आउटपुट. अगर हमें हाईएस्ट प्रेसिडेंस वाला मिल गया तो हम, या इक्वल टू वाला मिल गया, तो हमें पॉप करते रहना है. मीन्स हमें यहाँ से रीड करके कहाँ जाना है? यहाँ आउटपुट में स्टोर करते रहना है, वन बाय वन. ओके, देन पुश ऑपरेटर इनटू द स्टैक. तब हमें वाला ऑपरेटर, जो भी ऑपरेटर आ रहा है, उसको पुश करना है स्टैक में, जब तक हमारे यहाँ पे हम चेक नहीं कर दे कि हायर प्रेसिडेंस वाला हो या इक्वल प्रेसिडेंस वाला हो. Then the seventh step we have to repeat until the expression ends. जब तक हमारा expression end नहीं हो जाता, हमें repeat करते रहना है. ठीक है, we have to pop all remaining operators, सारे remaining operators को हमें pop करते रहना from the stack to output. Alright, and then we will finally found the postfix expression. Alright, so according to this algorithm, now I am solving this expression. Okay. All right. So now I'm solving this question. So question is what? A plus B multiply C. Okay. So first we have to write expression. All expression we have to go left to right side. So left में plus first is A. A आया. Okay. So this need to go at the output ना. All symbols is operand A, B, C maybe. ठीक है जो भी है वो आपका output में चला जाए. So A will go in the output. So I have put it in the A. All right. Now plus. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज प्लस. सो प्लस आ गया तो हमें प्लस को मैंने क्या कहा यहाँ पे जो भी सिंबल होगा हमें कहाँ रखना है उसको वट एवर सिंबल यू विल हैव है ना दैट वी हैव टू पुट इन द स्टैक. सो प्लस आया तो प्लस विल गो इन दिस. But is there any other symbol? No, no. So that's why we are not checking this one. We are not doing pop. Okay. Now B comes. So B again will go in the output side. So A and B. So you don't need to remove this A. Once there is a B, na, then you have to, whatever you have in output, that you have to write remain same and you have to add the new operand in the output. Okay. Now multiply is there. So now multiply will check if you want to push into the stack. Okay. हमें पुश करना है स्टैक के अंदर. सो हमें चेक करना पड़ेगा कि आपके पास जो भी स्टैक में ऑपरेटर है दैट इज हैविंग हायर और मे बी इक्वल प्रेसिडेंस. सो इट्स नॉट मल्टीप्लाई इज अ हायर प्रेसिडेंस. सो इट विल पुट inside stack only. Are you getting a point? Right? So multiply will also go here. A, B is there. Okay, now next C comes. So C will go in the output. Now A, B, C. A, B, C is here. Okay. Now we don't have any operator, means we don't have any expression left. We end, right? So pop all remaining operators. अब जो भी operators है उनको pop कर दो in the output. How you will pop? First multiply will go. Okay. Then plus will go. Okay. So this is how you can solve it. All right. This is how you can solve it. I will tell you one more way to solve it. Okay. So I am writing A, B, multiply and C. So you knew already which one is a highest precedence. So multiply is the highest precedence. Solve this first. So how you will solve? Postfix says what? Multiply means operator will be after operand. Okay, postfix, that is a postfix. So we have to take B and C only. So B, C and multiply you will write. Rest will be same, means A plus. Rest will be same. Now you have to assume this thing hold one thing. Okay, suppose I am taking this thing as P. So you left with A plus P. Okay, so now you will say A. Now do postfix of it. So what we will write? AP plus. All right. This is how you can do postfix of it. Now write P value here. So A is remain same here. P is B and C multiply. Okay. And then plus. So this is your answer. You will check this thing and this thing same. Okay. So from this method, you can check that you are performing this output same or not. This is these two should be same. The answer should be same. Okay. So if this is same, that means you are doing infix to postfix using stack, right? Okay. So this is one example. Now let's talk about the next example. So here I am writing example as A plus B multiply C. This is I am writing here bracket. Okay, I am writing these two things inside bracket. So now bracket will solve first. It's okay, multiply is there, but bracket you know, whatever bracket you have, that need to solve first. Okay. So this is the same algorithm I am writing for your understanding so that you will understand and familiar with the algorithm. All right. Now let's check out this one. So we have to go from left to right side. We are going left to right. Okay. So we have A, B. So first we have to write this bracket open. Bracket is open. Okay. So which condition need to apply? Which step need to apply here this step, right? Fourth step we have to apply now. So if symbol is open, so we have to push into the stack. So we are doing pushing into the stack. Push means insert into the stack. So we are inserting it. We have done insertion. Okay. Now this output is having nothing, so dash I'm writing here. That's optional. You want to leave it if you want to. Okay. If you want to leave that thing, that is also okay. We push into the stack, done. Now A will come next. So A will go in the output as this is applying third step is applying here as A. What is A? A is the operand. So A operand will go in the output. So now I'm writing this A in the output. All right. Now I'm writing plus. So plus is a symbol. So we have to check stack is not empty. If stack is not empty now. Okay. So if the stack is not empty, all right, then we have to check which is inside the stack is having the highest precedence or the equal precedence. So we have to check it, right? So we are checking plus. But here is a open bracket only. So you can means open bracket you will say when you will have a close bracket ना जब हमें close bracket मिलेगा तभी तो हम pop करेंगे but अभी हमें मिला नहीं है तो उसको still we have to write it same. Now plus will go here. Okay. Now next B comes. So B will go in the output screen. So AB is here. Now this comes. What is this? This is a close bracket, right? Okay. So this is a close bracket. This is close bracket, right? So when close bracket comes, then we have to pop stack from all things stack. We have to delete from stack to output until we found this open bracket. This open bracket is found and we have to remove it also. So what we are doing, whatever inside this bracket, now this looks like this ना ऐसे दिखेगा ना मतलब जब आप इसको इनपुट करोगे मीन्स इसको स्टैक में डालोगे वैसे स्टैक में डालना नहीं है लेकिन आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए मैं बता रही हूँ कि अगर आपको इसको आप देखोगे तो इसको ऐसे दिखेगा तो आपको ये पूरा ही सारा का सारा आपको किधर शिफ्ट करना है यू हैव टू शिफ्ट इट इन लेफ्ट आउटपुट ओके आउटपुट में शिफ्ट करना है तो आउटपुट में प्लस ही तो जाएगा so that's why I'm writing this thing here and we have to remove this all this right we have to remove it so once we are removing it okay then your array sorry your output will looks like as this a b plus so there is only plus now that's why plus I'm writing done right now this is now empty this is empty okay ये empty हो गया done now multiply will come multiply is here multiply will go in the stack yes c will go in the output screen sorry output में जाएगा ये this is the output you are saying a b plus and then c will come okay now there is nothing so you have to pop all the operator all the things from the stack to the output so I am doing a b plus c and multiply that's why I'm writing like this okay now your operation is over so you got the final postfix expression all right so this is a simple example here okay now let's try the another example as well okay done so here I'm writing a simple one more example a multiply b plus c multiply d okay so now let's check it how we can write it so now you have to do it है ना with me take pen paper and do it solve it yourself okay now a we have to put here so a will go in the output screen multiply is here multiply will go in the stack okay a will remain same now b so what is b b is the operand so will go in this output right multiply will be there remain now here plus now there is a one more rule you have to check this one we are talking about this one we are talking about here so plus is here now so when you will put here multiply na when you will put multiply here multiply is already in the stack you are putting now plus so before putting it we have to check the top has what is top stack के देखो ना stack में ही ऐसे दिखेगा ना यहाँ पे multiply आ गया फर्स्ट multiply आया अब प्लस आने लग गए यहाँ पे तो तो मुझे पहले प्लस नहीं लगाना है, मुझे टॉप तो मेरा अभी यही है ना, प्लस आ रहा है, प्लस को मुझे पुश करना है. ओके, प्लस नीड टू add, need to insert in our stack, into the stack. Okay, but we have to check top pointing to star, so top has a highest precedence as compared to plus. Okay, so we have to do what, pop to output. So हमें multiply को pop करना है, out pop means delete करना है from the stack and need to add in the output screen, sorry, output only. Okay, output में डालना है, that is p and this is s. ओके, हमें आउटपुट में डालने का है. सो मल्टीप्लाई विल गो इन ए बी एंड मल्टीप्लाई विल बी हियर. एंड देन पुश ऑपरेटर, विच ऑपरेटर, प्लस ऑपरेटर इन टू स्टैक. सो प्लस को आप यहां रखोगे, राइट. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई आपका कहाँ चला गया है, मल्टीप्लाई आपका कहाँ चला गया है, मल्टीप्लाई आपका आउटपुट में चला गया है. सो ए बी मल्टीप्लाई एंड देन प्लस विल गो इन द स्टैक. All right. Now, next C. Done. C will go plus, will be here. C will go in the output. Now, multiply is here. So, here scenario is changed now. Now, output earlier was this. Sorry, stack earlier was this. Now, your stack is now as here plus. In a stack, you have plus. Now, multiply want to come inside the stack. So, is there any problem? Like, check this one again. So in the stack, you need to check top. Top was earlier plus. Okay. So plus is the highest precedence or equal? No, nothing. Is a low, plus having a lowest precedence. So multiply will not go anywhere. Multiply will be in now the stack. Okay. We have to check this condition only ना. अब ये satisfy ही नहीं कर रहा है इस condition को. Plus तो lower है, having a lowest precedence as compared to multiply. So this will remain in the stack. So there is a one rule you have to remember, this one. And next to this one, okay, these so you know already. Okay, so this you have to check. Now multiply will be in the stack, rest will be a b multiply c. Okay, now d comes, so d will go in the output. Okay, now D will go in the output. Output में चला गया, AB multiply C and D. Okay, now we have to pop all remaining. Now we don't have any operation left. Okay, or expression left. So D is the end. So, plus and multiply in still in the stack. So we have to pop into the output. So multiply first will go and then plus will go. Okay, so this is the expression you will get as postfix. Now, if you want to solve this manually, so let's try to do it. Okay. So try here only. So I'm writing first multiply is there, multiply is there. So which one you have to do? As you have to check there is 2 multiply now. So multiply is having the highest precedence as compared to plus. All right. So we have to check the associativity. Okay. So we have to go left to right side, left to right. So A and B multiply. All right. This we have to solve first. Okay, then we have to solve this one. So plus is here, C, D and multiply. Done. Now take, assume this thing one and assume this thing another one. Okay. So you will see here A, B multiply, right? And C, D multiply, right? And then plus. So this will be your answer same. Okay. So this is how you can solve infix to postfix. Now let's check out the another. So another is also same. So now let's check out how we can solve it. So now I'm writing. So as I told you, first write here two things. What we have to do. First we have to write the expression. Okay. Then we have to write the stack S and then we have to write output P. Okay. So here first this open bracket comes. So it will go in the stack. Yes. This will be nothing. Now A will go where? A will go in this output. All right, done. Now plus symbol. So here plus will go. Okay, here A. Now B. So B will go. Sorry. No, B will not go here. B will go where? So B will go in our output. So A, B. All right. Now bracket close here. So here's the bracket close. So once the bracket close comes, then we have to check. We have to pop, sorry, we have to pop all the thing from the stack and we'll add in the output until we found open bracket. Okay. So once we found, so we will say A, B plus. Done. Then this will remain empty. Your stack will now empty here. Okay. Done. Now next. So you have now multiply. Put it inside stack. So multiply will here now. Okay. Done. Now A, B and plus will be same here. Now next. Your bracket open. So open bracket will go here. Rest will be same. A, B plus. Okay. Now next. Next will be. This is C. Okay. I'm writing C like this. Okay. So C will go in our output screen. So A, B plus and C. I'm writing here now. Okay. Now next. Now next we have C we have done, minus sign, D we have, and then bracket close we have. So minus will go where? Minus will go in the stack. So A, B plus and C. D comes, right? So A, where is the multiply? Multiply तो हम भूल ही गए यहाँ पे. So multiply is also there. ठीक है, यहाँ पे multiply लिखोगे आप. So here also multiply. Now you will say here, ma'am in stack, you will say, now stack multiplies here. So how minus will come? Minus is having the highest, lowest precedence as compared to multiply. So but in between these, na, in between these two, we have bracket. We have what? Bracket. After bracket, you are pushing you are doing insertion minus. So that is okay. But if there is no this bracket, है ना? Open bracket will not be there, then there will be the problem. Okay. But there is no problem as we have this between, है ना? That's why. Okay. Now A, B plus C will be there. Now D is in our stack. Okay. Done. Now multiply. Open bracket. Now here you are saying this need to insert. Where you will insert? So we have to pop all the operation until we found the open bracket. This is the close bracket. So these need to push here. Okay. Wait. Now. Okay. So this need to be pushed in output. So it will go as plus C D minus. This will now need to remove. So remove it. Okay. Minus is also there. Now your expression is closed. You have to pop all the expression, whatever you have in the stack will be in our output now. So A, B plus C, D minus and multiply will be there. So this will be your output. Okay, this will be your expression. है You are doing conversion from infix to postfix. So you can do manually as well. Okay, answer will be same. Okay, so now this is the only what that the questions we have right now. So in the next video we will see the more questions. All right, so till then keep learning, keep watching, keep practicing and do solve these questions. Okay, if you have any kind of doubt, write that thing in a chat box. I will surely answer it. All right, See you in my next video.